Choosing between a gas-powered ATV and an electric ATV is becoming one of the most common questions among older riders today. 10 or 15 years ago, this conversation barely existed. Gasoline ATVs were the only realistic option. Today, electric models are quieter, smoother, and more capable than ever before. For seniors who value comfort, simplicity, and stress-free ownership, this decision is less about technology and more about lifestyle. So let's take our time and calmly compare gas versus electric ATVs for older riders, without hype, without pressure, and with real-world riding in mind. If you're watching this, chances are you're not chasing speed or competition. You're looking for comfort, reliability, and enjoyment. Maybe you want to ride trails, explore quiet areas, or do light property work. As we talk through this, think about how and where you actually ride, not how machines are advertised. And as always, feel free to share your own thoughts and experiences in the comments so others can learn from real riders, not just brochures. Let's start with gas-powered ATVs, because they are still the most common choice for seniors. Models like the Yamaha Kodiak 700, Yamaha Grizzly 700, Honda 4Trax Foreman and Rubicon, Suzuki King Quad 400 through 750, Polaris Sportsman 450 or 570, and Arctic Cat Altera have been refined for decades. These machines are familiar, predictable, and widely supported. Gas ATVs offer long range, quick refueling, and proven durability. For older riders, one of the biggest advantages is peace of mind. You know that if you plan a long ride, fuel availability is not a concern. A 5-minute stop at a gas station or from a fuel can, and you're ready to go again. Another benefit of gas ATVs is consistent performance across conditions. Cold weather, long rides, hills, towing. Gasoline engines handle these demands with ease. For seniors who ride in rural areas, mountains, or colder regions of the US, Canada, or Europe, gas ATVs simply work without much thought. Machines like the Honda Foreman are especially valued for their mechanical simplicity and long-term reliability. When something feels familiar, it reduces mental stress, and reduced stress makes riding more enjoyable. Ask yourself this: does familiarity make you more comfortable when you're far from home? Gas ATVs also offer a wide range of engine sizes and power levels, which allows older riders to choose something calm and manageable. You don't need a large engine to enjoy riding. Many seniors prefer mid-size models like the Polaris Sportsman 450 or Suzuki King Quad 400 because they feel lighter, easier to control, and less tiring. Gas ATVs give you choice, and choice means control over your riding experience. However, gas ATVs are not without drawbacks, especially for seniors. They require regular maintenance, oil changes, fuel system care, air filter cleaning, and occasional adjustments. While none of this is difficult, it does add responsibility. Gas engines also produce vibration, noise, and heat. Even the smoothest gas ATV still reminds you that it's a machine. For some older riders, especially those with joint sensitivity or hearing concerns, this becomes noticeable over longer rides. Have you ever ended a ride feeling more tired from noise and vibration than from the trail itself? Now let's talk about electric ATVs, which are quietly changing the conversation. Electric ATVs offer a very different riding experience, and for seniors, some of these differences are genuinely appealing. The first thing most riders notice is silence. No engine noise, no exhaust, no vibration. This creates a calm, almost meditative ride. You hear the wind, the tires, the forest around you. For older riders who value relaxation and connection with nature, this can be transformative. Riding becomes less stimulating and more soothing. Electric ATVs also deliver smooth, instant power. There's no shifting, no throttle lag, and no engine revving. Power comes on gently and predictably. This is especially beneficial for seniors who want precise control at low speeds. Navigating trails, tight turns, or uneven ground feels easier when the ATV responds smoothly. There's no need to manage gears or worry about stalling. Many electric ATVs feel more like riding a quiet utility vehicle than operating a machine. Does that sound appealing to you? Another major advantage of electric ATVs is minimal maintenance. There's no oil to change, no fuel system to clean, no exhaust components to worry about. For older riders who want to reduce garage time and focus on riding, this simplicity is very attractive. Fewer moving parts generally mean fewer things to maintain. For someone who rides casually and values convenience, electric ATVs reduce ownership stress significantly. But electric ATVs also come with important limitations that seniors should consider carefully. The most obvious one is range. Electric ATVs are improving, but they still can't match the long-distance capability of gas models. Depending on terrain, speed, and load, range may be limited. For riders who enjoy long trail days or remote exploration, this can create anxiety. Planning rides around battery life requires discipline and awareness. There's nothing relaxing about watching a battery gauge when you just want to enjoy the ride. Would that concern you, or would shorter rides suit your lifestyle better? Charging time is another consideration. Unlike refueling gas, charging an electric ATV takes time and access to electricity. For seniors living in rural areas or without convenient charging setups, this can be inconvenient. Electric ATVs are best suited to predictable riding patterns, property use, short trail rides, or areas close to home. If your riding style is spontaneous or involves long distances, gas may still feel more practical. Weight is another subtle factor. Electric ATVs often carry heavy batteries, which can affect handling. While many are well balanced, the weight is still there. For older riders, lifting or maneuvering a heavy ATV in difficult situations can be challenging. Gas ATVs, especially mid-size models, often feel more manageable in this regard. So which is better for seniors, gas or electric? The honest answer is that it depends on how you ride and what brings you peace of mind. Gas ATVs offer familiarity, range, and flexibility. They're ideal for riders who value long rides, remote areas, and proven technology. Electric ATVs offer silence, smoothness, and simplicity. They're ideal for riders who stay close to home, prefer calm experiences, and want minimal maintenance. Some older riders even say electric ATVs feel less like operating a machine and more like simply moving through the landscape. Others say gas ATVs feel more reassuring because they know exactly what to expect. Neither perspective is wrong. Comfort is personal. Before deciding, it's worth asking yourself a few quiet questions. How long do I usually ride? How far from home do I go? Do I enjoy mechanical maintenance, or would I rather avoid it? Do I value silence, or does engine sound not bother me? These answers matter more than specifications. Now I'd really like to hear from you. If you've ridden both gas and electric ATVs, which one felt more comfortable to you, and why? And if you're considering making the switch, what concerns or questions are holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could help another rider choose the ATV that truly fits their lifestyle.